We are going to edit again. We select God's love, then over us, we hit Ctrl T and we reduce and bring it somewhere here. Okay? So to your taste. All right. Now we are going to type another one. We are going to type, we change the font to Calibri. Okay? And we change it to green. All right. We are going to type for God so for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Okay, so we use it and we place it here. Okay, so we are going to divide it. Let's zoom a little. Yeah, we are going to divide it from here. Okay, and we go to paragraph and we align to center. That's it. And we hit Ctrl T. We hit Ctrl T and we expand. Okay, we get back to character and we reduce the space in between the words. We make it 13. We make it 15. Yeah, that's it. We are going to add 3 dots after the sun to show that it continues. Okay, that's it. And under it, we type John 3:16. Okay, we are going to select the John 3:16. We highlight it and we change it to white. That's it. Now we are going to add something on the second rectangle. So we go to text tool and we type service time. Okay, we hit Ctrl T. We change the font to okay, we leave the font service time, we duplicate, okay, and bring it down. Then we highlight and we type first service, first service 8 a.m. Second 10:30 a.m. So we go to character, paragraph, and we align to the left. And we expand. We put service time on top of it. Okay, we select both and toggle. That's it. We are going to add bold. We are going to add bold to the first and second service. Okay, we select it and we go to character, come to regular, and we click bold. Okay, so that's it. Now we are going to put the address. We are going to put the address so we get to, okay, let's arrange this very well. Service time, God, first service. Okay, all right. So we type the love of God global church. Okay, the love of God global church. We bring it in. We hit Ctrl T and we stretch it. Okay, we go to color. We pick the color here. Okay, that's color pick. You pick it from here and say okay. So the love of God global church, we change it to bold. Okay, and right now we select it, love of God global church, and we duplicate. Okay, and we bring it down. Then we select all of them to change the text. So we type Melbourne Hotel Area C, last road. Okay, Melbourne Hotel Area C, last road. Agedo, Abuja. We go to bold and we reduce it to regular. So we continue, we select the Melbourne and we go to paragraph and we align to the left. Okay, so we take it and place it here. Then we bring in the direction icon. That's it here. Okay, and we place the direction icon. Okay, we double click the layer and we go to color overlay. Okay, we go to the logo and so we make all right. And the direction icon, we make it darker too. Okay, so this is what we have. So finally, we want to add something to at least beautify the flyer. Okay, so we go to the folder and we get this, we place it on top. Okay, and we go to the layer panel and find a normal blending mode. Okay, so the blending mode, you watch what is happening. Okay, we are going to choose one. Now this is overlay. Overlay is still darker. Then we choose um soft light. Okay, hard light, vivid light. Okay, color. Okay, this is how color looks like. All right, um this is hue. Okay, so we choose soft light. So that is it. We are through. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share this video. Also click on the notification bell so you will be notified when new videos drop.